Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the option System and Updates. Then let's tap on Language and Region and tap on Edit right here. So as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. At the top we've got the section with the languages which we've got currently applied. They were also visible in the previous step. So now all we have to do is to find the language which we'd like to apply, which we'd like to use, and tap on this plus icon next to it. So let me pick this one. Your device will ask you if you want to set the new language as a default one, so just tap on yes. And now we can go to the very top of the list, and as you can see, our new language has been immediately applied at the top, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language is added here, which is, as you can see, the same list as we had after tapping on edit or something like that, you can simply reorder the languages to change it. So let me set the English, tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Then tap on apply probably, and as you can see, we've got English set. If you wish to remove the languages from this list, just tap on edit and tap on those minus icons next to the languages which you wish to remove. And after getting back, you can see that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.